Listening section. In this part of the test, you will hear several monologues. They will not be printed in your textbook, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speaker is saying. Part 1. Direction. Listen carefully to the monologue and complete the missing words.
Galileo Galilei, astronomer and scientist. Galileo developed a superior telescope and made many significant discoveries in astronomy. He was sentenced to life imprisonment by the Inquisition for his support for the Copernican theory that the Sun was at the center of the solar system. Galileo was born in Florence, Italy in 1564 to a poor but noble family. His parents recognized their child's innate intelligence and talents, and so made sacrifices to have him educated. At his father's insistence, Galileo studied the profitable career of medicine. But, at the University of Pisa, Galileo became fascinated in a wide range of subjects. He was also critical of many of Aristotle's teachings which had dominated education for the past 2,000 years. Galileo was appointed to be a mathematics professor at the University of Pisa, but his strident criticisms of Aristotle left him isolated among his contemporaries. After 3 years of persecution, he resigned and went to the University of Padua, where he taught maths. His entertaining lectures attracted a large following, and he was able to spend the next 18 years pursuing his interests in astronomy and mechanics. Agustinus Adisisipto, born in Pungkasari, Salatiga, Central Java, Adisisipto was known as the founding father of the Indonesian to fly the first Indonesian airplane. He was also the founder of the School of Aviation, which later became the Air Force Academy. A descendant of an empu who was one of Prince Diponegoro's troops, Adisisipto was predicted to have a short life. Bawairyo, Adisisipto's grandfather, said that his grandson was like Palganati, a courageous and honest Wayang character who died young. That was why Adisisipto's father insisted that his son go to school taught Opleidingsvan in Tishi a medical school for Indonesians during the Dutch colonial period, to become a doctor. However, Adisisipto's determination to become a pilot was so strong that he dropped out of his medical school to enter the aviation school. At the Militair Lekvaart Opleidings, a school of aviation in Kalijodo, West Java, he showed an excellent record. He finished his studies in 2 years and was also one of 2 Indonesians who received an advanced pilot license. For his excellent performance, Adisisipto was appointed secretary of the Koninklijk Netherlands in Tishi Lekvaart Maatschappij, the Dutch aviation company. After the proclamation of the Republic of Indonesia, Adisisipto formed the Air Force together with Surya Dharma, who later became the first commander of the Indonesian Air Force.
Part 2. Direction. After you hear the monologue, listen to the questions about it. Read the 5 possible answers and decide which one will be the best answer to the question you have heard.
Number 1. According to the biography, why did Galileo Galilei resign from his teaching job at the University of Pisa? Number 2. What can we infer about Galileo's life? Number 3. Where was Adisisipto born? Number 4. The reason for Adisisipto's father insisted him entering Stovia because. Number 5. Adisisipto is one of Indonesia's prominent heroes because he was